Across the world, students are harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to drive economic advancement. From automating businesses to solving real-world problems, young innovators are shaping the future of Jamaica, one algorithm at a time.
What are the current technologies that are currently in place to solve these issues, and see where you can help by bridging the gaps between what is already done and what can be done.
AI can be for massive good in this world.
But are we ready to embrace the use of AI for good?
Hi, my name is Erin McPherson and I am the founder of HomeFinder AI. So how the app works is that it takes the end user's data, such as their location, the budget that they're able to accommodate to finding a home. It takes that and then uses a recommendation algorithm to match them with homeowners who own homes within that location and budget size, and basically connects the end user to the homeowners to make the whole process much easier. The idea was born out of my family's own issues in finding affordable housing when we first moved to Jamaica, and then I started opening up my perception and realized that it wasn't only my family that was facing these issues but those in my community. And because I've always been interested in computer science, I started thinking, how could I bridge the gap between this societal issue and artificial intelligence?
AI is not new. AI is about 50 plus years old. The concept and the word AI was created at a contest at a college. It was an event at Dartmouth University or Dartmouth College in the US in 1956 where they came up with the term. And then those folks have been working on it over and over and over.
I think the AI task force can start by creating community initiatives and bringing on the younger generation, for example, by having monthly AI workshops.
We do have a youthful and tech-savvy population. Just very recently, we had a very interesting collaboration with an international organization by the name of Intellibus. In the discussions between University of West Indies, University of Technology, and myself, the idea of hosting what they call a hackathon came about. So you have 24 hours to build something from scratch to solve a real life, whether it's a business problem, government problem, education problem, societal problem. 647 people registered. This is the beginning. We're just scratching the surface and there's a lot more to come, and we're very, very excited about it.
It started in the western part of Jamaica and we're slowly expanding to cover the entire region. So far, about 5 families we were able to help find homes within, again, their location budget range, and I'm just very excited to see the initiative keep expanding until we reach to the eastern region. It assists community development by creating more equitable resources for low-income Jamaicans, so that's who it's targeted to.
That's one of the things that we want to ensure that, they're talking about improving productivity in the country, we're talking about improving our GDP. What are some of the areas that potentially AI could help?
One of them being pharmaceutical. I worked with a team of 3 other 6 farmers, and we basically used AI to make the farming sector in Jamaica more efficient. So by tracking in real time the nutrient levels, temperature, moisture and humidity levels of the soil, farmers would be able to create greater quality crops, and that in turn could make better the agricultural sector in Jamaica, which we know is a key sector in economic growth.
You have a problem that you want to solve and you're leveraging artificial intelligence-based technologies to solve that problem. Finding a home, finding a job, finding food, doing this. It is mind-blowing, and I'm happy to say that this student at high school, 6th form, has developed a tool that is actually solving a real life problem.
Say first start by looking for the different issues within your community and your local country, and then see what are the current technologies that are currently in place to solve these issues, and see where you can help by bridging the gaps between what is already done and what can be done.
In general, we have a cultural resistance to change. because there's always worry and concern about people losing jobs if AI technologies and tools will not do that job.
I think a lot of people don't truly appreciate or understand the power of AI. And so I would tell them, yes, exert caution when using AI because it can be harmful, but look at the good side of it and see how it can be used to actually solve some of these inequalities and societal issues.
This technology is here to stay, it's not going anywhere.
Don't be afraid to explore those crazy ideas and apply those technologies to these issues because you don't know, your idea may be the next big thing.